Yeah. Let's go for it. The Honorable Judge Brother Governor Willard Mitt Romney now enters. This court is now in session. Governor Mitt, we pray you remember well your time amongst us and how best to burn a witch. Fire! 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 Wee! Okay, show me the accused. Bring forth the binders of women. Before you is placed a coven of promiscuous, salacious, and contraceptive intent. A secret society of satanic women called the Few. All right. Goody Goldberg, you are known to display the sharp tongue of Satan. Mistress Joy, you doth don the red hair of Satan. You have both shunned our vouchers. You have aligned with the condemned Lily Ledbetter. You have heard the voices of the entitled demon spirit named 47%, and are in league with Lucifer. Cher Shepherd and Elizabeth Hasselbeck. You are accused of keeping merry company with those who have embraced Satan. Oh, wait. I'm not really one of them. Whatever. Barbara Walters, nurse. As a senior member of our community, these good men, your betters, have offered you their trust, but you have turned away from them, and you have led these gentle women astray. You are therefore a blasphemer and a witch. Do any of the good men here, my Puritan brothers, have any more complaints to present to the court? Ha! They were looking at dresses. They were not keeping their legs seemingly. They can't prove their birth by natural godly means or by works of paper. We have heard from the accusers, and the charges have been proven. We shall now hear from the jury on their just punishment. As described in our bylaws, and as written in the good book, all witches shall be executed. It's okay. All will be well. Execution no longer results in death. Good. Because I believe in the sanctity of God's blessing of life. Therefore, I love executing witches. I'll sign any order. But are we certain that they are witches? Perhaps they are from the local heathen tribes. No, they can't be. They look too white. Only legitimate cases of heathens should be exempt from our laws. There are no exceptions. Agreed. Whilst their execution is certain, we may yet enjoy saving their souls and restore the confidence and good nature of this town. Good wife Anne, please implore your sisters to confess so that our good order and profits may be preserved. We may otherwise invoke methods to encourage their cooperation. Like waterboarding. Yeah, and looking at paintings of the preborn. And we will probe. And we may need to set an example upon this community for the non-compliance in this proceeding. My 2-point plan will begin with a town-wide layoff. Then we will confiscate the witch family homesteads to pay for the stages upon which they will be executed. Goodwife Anne, please proceed. Okay, Mitt. Goody Goldberg, Mistress Joy, Share Shepherd, Goodwife Hasselbeck, and Barbara Walters, nurse, do not confess. They do not seem grateful. And some dare suggest that this court end its war on the Goodwives. They confess.